Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe has been chosen by my kids. They want a really nice pasta for dinner. So I am going to make my life easy and I'm going to combine the things that we all love the most in a pasta. And not just that, I'm also going to make it in one pot, just to make my life easy, and in the end we're gonna get a delicious creamy chicken pasta. So let's get cooking, and before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe. And that's it for right now. Starting with one onion, and I'm going to try and chop it a bit fine today for this pasta. A nice hot pan, 3 to 4 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, and also a little piece of butter. I would say around a heaped tablespoon. And once this gets going, I'm going to add the onions. Going to cook this for just 5 minutes to soften up. And that's going to be enough time for me to prep 3 cloves of garlic. I have got here a bunch of spring onions, and I'm just going to chop up just the white bits and add it with the other onions. Add the whites of the spring onions and give it another 2 minutes. I'm going to prep the chicken first. I have got 4 boneless and skinless chicken breasts, and though I don't like using chicken breasts for curries, I think I prefer this for the pasta for sure. So I'm just going to chop it into small pieces so that they cook at the same time as the pasta. Next goes in the garlic, which I've grated. Now time to add some lovely spices and herbs. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, lots of freshly ground black pepper, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a teaspoon of dried thyme, and just give it a good mix. Smells amazing. And now I'm going to add the chopped up chicken. Now stir this through on high heat for 2 minutes. Let the spices coat the chicken. Next goes in a tin of chopped tomatoes. Oh, amazing. And also 400 grams of pasta. And the last thing to go in is boiling water. And I'm just added double the amount of boiling water, so I've added 800 ml of boiling water to this. Now all that's left to do is cover and cook this between low to medium heat for 15 minutes. Finely chop the greens of the spring onion first of all. I put the timer on for 15 minutes and I saw there was a lot of liquid. I haven't opened the lid, so I put another 5 minutes. So this has been cooking on medium heat. I didn't lower it because it needed to kind of bubble up for last 20 minutes. So let's check this if the pasta is cooked now. Come in. I'm just gonna check if the pasta is done to my liking. I know a lot of people like it al dente, but for me, I like it properly, fully cooked. Yeah, that is done. Now to just add the finishing touches, a couple of things. And then I'm gonna add a couple of tablespoons of cream cheese. Now you can just skip this, but it does add that creaminess, as you can see. I'm actually going to make it 3 tablespoons. So you might think that is a lot of food, which it is, because I'll tell you, it's for 4 of us plus extra portion for lunchbox for tomorrow. So I think, yeah, this should be good enough for maybe 5 to 6 people. Let's say 5 maybe. Oh my god, this smells so lovely. And then I'm going to finish this with the greens of the spring onions. You didn't think I'm not going to eat it, right? I am going to eat it. Just mixing it up. And I know it is very, very hot, and I will be very, very careful. Don't know why I do this to myself every single time. Come on. Oh, the only thing I need is extra half a spoon of salt, because salt is not enough for me. It might be enough for you, but so good, so easy. Other than the chopping boards, this is all I have used. 1 pan creamy chicken pasta. It couldn't be simpler than this. I hope you're going to give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back very, very soon. What else do I have to say? Take care. Bye for now.